So guys, I am done with what I'm doing in this CMS area. I am heading back to the train station so that I meet up with my train. This is a very busy hub. They call this place CMS. So let me take it to the other side and see how we're able to board the vehicle to cross the train side and go to the other side. So guys, just take a walk with me. I'm going towards that direction. So guys, before I take a walk towards the Marina train station, I said let me explore this part of CMS to see for myself how the entire area look like, because I boarded the train from my 2 to Marina train station, and I decided to check out one or two things inside that motor park where various vehicles are carrying passengers to one place or the other. But meanwhile, let me explore this area to see how this area look like, because from what I'm seeing shows that this area is it's an industrial hub where you have a lot of banks, like bank headquarters and other companies. They are all situated in this area. You see a lot of administrative building showing that this is not an ordinary place, but it's a place where you see different kind of organization that are carrying out one form of commerce or the other. So guys, just take a walk with me as I explore the area, the road network, and so on and so forth. So on this road, you see that this section that I'm passing on this CMS roads, you see vehicles driving towards a particular direction, though I don't know the names of the road in this area because I'm not based in Lagos here, so I wouldn't know their names. But from what I'm seeing shows that there are a lot in this houses, a lot happening in this houses. So guys, just share your thoughts on what you are seeing on this video, because presently I am in CMS area of Lagos. So guys, these are some of the areas. You see bike flying, all those courier services bike flying to deliver one parcel or the other. And commuters are not left out. They are just taking their walk to wherever they are going to. Like from the sound of a vehicle I was hearing, it's like people were passing this place to Jakande area, and even from here you can take a bus that is going to Aja, Axis, because they'll be calling the names all over. So you see a lot of companies situated along these roads. It's an industrial area anyway. Even at the other side, you see the other side where you have the train station, you see a lot of river, people doing one form of a construction or the other in that area. And the boats, all those big ship, they are built by the side of the river. So those are some of my experience in this CMS area, which I advise people who are coming to Lagos to maybe at least once in a while you pay a visit to all this area to explore how the city of Lagos look like. In fact, this place is like the Europe of Lagos. Because from the sound of, or from the way this area look like, you will never think that you are in Lagos. You think you are in Europe, but this is Lagos, as it is used to be called, Lagos, Nigeria. It's a nice area anyway. If you take a look at it, I think from this same direction you can head to the Marina train station, but I think I will make a U-turn and go towards the other side of the CMS.
This is an industrial area in Lagos. CMS area to be precise. Giant building that you see, small building here. Let me just take a walk with that Roma Bank on the UBA. I will return back and go and catch the train. think this is the rush hour when people are going back to their homes. So that is the time I came to this place. Like this is the UBA headquarters. So let me pass. Sorry.
I believe this video has resonated some value to you because at Fredrick Ubiri channel, we talk about infrastructural development and travel tour within Nigeria and beyond. So if you like what you see, give my the videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and always remember to buy me coffee so that you can see more of this kind of updates. Thank you. See you in my next one.
It's night view. It's Lagos view at night. Waiting for the Christmas season. So guys, I think I should end it up here.